July 6th, 2022, Tyler Hayes here, 9:18, coming to you from West Ladysmith. We're going to have a light power move for a northbound sand load later on today, with an ES44 on the way, maybe two others. We're going to find out right now if it's ready to make the pass. Unless we may have an inbound sand empty coming. We're going to find out, like I said right now. As we get back and get them, let's go. What a pass that was. Amazing, no doubt. 5-unit lash up. You saw the 2 units that were on yesterday's S772 as well. And that was with an ex-Citirail that was on there. I have a feeling that might have been another 2700 class, but I do not know. But no worries about that. So that'll do it for the light power move of 4 northbound sand load for now, and we'll do it here at West Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.